Namaste. Now we will see how to read an image from the storage and convert that image to the gray image or the grayscale image, and some syntax related to the image, that means image name or how to display that image using this OpenCV. So for that one, now first of all, I logged in and I need to insert one image because in Raspberry Pi I don't have any image. I'm just inserting one image. So this is the upload to the current folder. So I'm uploading one image. For example, okay. So here I have okay, I have one image here. That's the little bit yeah, I have one nature image. So now I just uploaded that. So now okay, here we have the Raspberry Pi. There is no camera and all not connected now. We are just whatever the image is in this memory card, that only we are just reading. Okay, we are not taking the input from the camera. So for that one, yeah, we will just I need to create one Python file for that. So how can I create means I already have the OpenCV installed. So now we just type nano means nano editor. Now we need to create one file. I'm going to call this as 5.py. Okay, any name you can give, nano5.py. So here now I need to import the OpenCV. So here we have all these syntax, that means how to import and all these things. This is just for the this I'm going to share. Okay, so here just for the syntax that import and some image equals CV to imread, these are the syntax that it is available in the their official website, also in OpenCV official website. So here first of all I need to import the package, that is import CV2, that means I'm importing the OpenCV. Then I have one image. Now I need to read that image. So img image equals to cv2 dot imread. This syntax you will get. Okay, imread of now the image name what we have, nature.png. so nature.png, nature.png. Now we just read that image. Okay, now what I have to do, I need to print the image properties first. Okay, image means it has some height and width, and that is called as its shape and its data type, its size, all those things in OpenCV we can get. So for that one, here, okay, I'm just going to copy this here directly, it is there. Okay, so these three things, and to display, okay, now we read the image, that means the image we read in this variable, this imjson variable. In that variable now our image is there. So in order to display this image, we have a that means syntax called imshow. Okay, cv2.imshow, and while showing okay, it is showed in one small frame. That frame heading, that we need to give here what name it has to show. Then this image holding variable, that is our img. So okay, this only. Now instead of this nature, I'm just going to call this as my image. Okay, my image. From this nature we just read that to variable, and from that variable now I'm going to display the image. Now if I want to save this image from the variable, so here is my variable. If I want to save this image, this will going to only display. So if I want to save this, then this command cv2 dot imwrite, and here nature1. I'm just going to call this as nature1. So here you can see there is no any file called nature1, only the nature is there. Okay, this is to save our we can do any operations on this variable, that means changing of its pixels or editing. Then in order to save that, we need to save like this. Okay, this is the basic syntax. We are not going to do much here. And if you want to convert to the grayscale image, then we have another syntax. Okay, these syntaxes, don't worry, you will get in the official website, and anyway I'm going to share this file. So gray image equal to, this is what the syntax, cv2.cvt color, then here the variable, that means our variable is image, then cv2.color underscore rgb or bgr to gray. Okay, sorry, not rgb, you need to remember this, bgr to gray. Okay, that is the syntax, bgr to gray. So yeah, I'm just going to same thing, let's copy this. So here you can see we just converted that to gray image. This is the another variable, cv2.cvt color image, that is our variable, cv2.color bgr to gray. That means we converted our color image to the grayscale image. Because in machine learning, in many of the applications, we don't need the color image. We just start converting that color image to the grayscale image, and we are doing certain operation on the grayscale image. Color image, the computational power for the color image is more, so we don't need that much. So we are just this black and white image is sufficient, so we are just going to convert that to the bgr to gray. Then these two, I think you know. I am right means this is to save that image, gray image.png, and I am show gray image.gray image. That means it is for showing and it's for saving that image. Now if I just write this much, it will suddenly show and it will close. So in order to hold that until we press some key, it has to just display like as it is one image. Okay, so for that one, here we have cv2.wait key of 0. That means this will going to infinite waiting until we press the button. Then when we press the button, this will going to destroy all the windows. Okay, now we just save, and we just save this one, and we will see control X and Y. Okay, now I just need to run Python 3.7 5.5. Okay, now we see if any error is there, it will give us the error. So now it shows the these image properties. Okay, here another window is opened. We can see this is my actual image, and this is the converted, that is the bgr to gray converted image. Here you can see what it's showing. This is the gray image, that is the converted one. Here you can see the heading, and this is our my image, that is the what we wrote to convert that to from nature. Okay, so here we have one nature. If I refresh it, another two files will be there. Here you can see the 5.5 and the gray image.png, not 5.5, this is our file, gray image.png and nature1.png that we just wrote. Okay, so then this is the okay, 162, that is the height, and this is the width, and this is 3 means color image. Okay, then here we have size of that, and here is the data type U8. That means it is image is saved in the matrix. Okay, how this image will be saved and all those things I discussed in the NumPy array session. You can just refer that also. Okay, NumPy, how this image will be stored and that all. So now I think you have understand how this basic syntaxes of the OpenCV to display the image. We are using the ImShow, and to read the image ImRead, cv2.imread, and to write the image cv2.imwrite, and the syntax for converting color image to the grayscale images, this you need to remember, cvt. Okay, so here we have cv2.cvt color image comma cv2.color underscore bgr to gray. Okay, bgr to gray. And This is not required, but just to show how that image is there, that one. Yeah, then weight key of 0. I think you understand this. This will I'm going to share with you. Yes, thank you.